and explain why the school has wronged her.
I went back after I found the no trespassing order that I got from the school. You want to hear something? I'm suing.
You stop right there. You got a no trespassing from your kid's school, and you're somehow going to justify that? You weirdo. Oh my God. What are they?
Wing stops right there. I was thinking so.
Probably from that way.
Okay, Garmin. Hey, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
I was a little freaked out, but then I just made believe it was chewing gum. Jeff Jarvis. Oh, Jeff. Jeff used to be the critic for TV Guide. Oh.
No, I teach students. I'm a professor.
Professor Jeff Jarvis. Thank you. Jeff used to be the critic for TV Guide.
No, I teach students. I'm a professor.
Oh, Professor Jeff Jarvis. Thank you.
What are they trying to... Now she's on the other side. Crazy person.
Jesus. Call 911.
Yeah, we heard ya. You were singing along. Well, why not do it so everyone can hear? Caller number 10 at 877-494 4863.
Trivia questions you wrote?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, 'cause I think you only got past the first two.
I didn't even get to the second one. All right, we already know that SpongeBob, all the characters are based on the 7 deadly sins. Woo! Which one of the deadly sins is SpongeBob?
Lust.
That is right. I don't know why.
I don't either. She has to explain
Is he a horny bunch?
I've
You
seen
know,
that.
I don't know. I do love him though, but not
That would be an Aquanaut.
Aquanaut.
But she's an astronaut?
Damn, man.
She's a squirrel. Yes.
Does it say NASA on her outfit?
It's got pictured nuts on it. Like.
Dude.
If you like this video, please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.